Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll be installing the drill press now. I got this base set up here. Again, I don't need nothing pretty. Just need for it to serve its purpose. That's all I care about. I'm gonna set the drill press up here and then secure that down. It's heavy. Yep, there we go. Set the drill press right there, like so, and that's pretty much it. I'm just gotta secure some bolts into these holes right here, and this bad boy won't go nowhere for now. I already have a second drill press. Well, this is my second drill press. I already have another one. Reason I bought a second one is so that I could use these square tenon bits that drill square holes instead of round ones. If I didn't buy this one, then it'd be a pain in the butt for me to swap this whole gadget here back and forth to my other drill press. So I said, what the hey, let me just buy a second one, and it makes my life a lot easier. I don't have to swap the tools out back and forth. If I haven't said it before, thanks for watching. Down, one more to go on the other side, and we're all set. This ain't going nowhere. Yeah, there you go. He ain't going nowhere now. That's all I wanted. So it's all said and done. Thanks again for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for future projects. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.